This is how you assemble your lily of the valley flowers. Da, da, da. Isn't it beautiful? The good thing about the wire is that you can adjust the distance of this flower, and also you can bend it the way you want it to. See, so like if I want them to be closer to each other, I could just do like that. Anyway, that is all for this video. If you want to see how I made this one, the pattern of this flower, please see the description box below. You will find the part 1 of this project. I hope to see you guys next time. Stay safe everyone, and God bless us all. Bye-bye.